Well, lifestyle and parenting expert Sherri French is back with us, sharing everything kids need from actually young to old, making sure everyone is ready for back to school regardless of age. Good morning, Sherri. Good to see you.
Good morning. Great to see you too. And yes, I've got two in my house. One heading back to Dalhousie and a high schooler. I've got everyone covered today.
Yeah, and both need a great pen. Everyone needs the right pen regardless of age.
Well, absolutely. Well, pens are a necessity still, believe it or not, when you're taking notes, because we know writing by hand remains critical to a young person's education and development. So what I have here is Bic Gelocity Quick Dry Gel Pens. It's going to set your students up for a successful back to school because it's got smooth writing, comfortable, easy to hold the pen, but what I love, smear resistant writing. So if you're a left-hander especially, no more smearing. It has fast drying ink that dries up to 3 times faster for less smearing. Annika, my 15-year-old, loves these. Best part is the 13 colors that they have because she likes to color code her notes. So she's already stolen some of these from me.
Okay, so from low tech to high tech, you've actually you have a great go-to for refurbished electronics.
Absolutely, because guess what? Believe it or not, electronics have become a requirement as young as grade 1, believe it or not. And we're looking as parents for smart ways to save money. So Annika, actually, my 15-year-old, needed an iPad this year. So I found great options for many big ticket items from the brands we know and trust. So Apple, Bose, or Dell. eBay Refurbished is where I found this amazing Apple iPad 6th generation. It was 29% off retail price. I got a 1-year warranty for Annika's brand new iPad, but I love that they've got a huge selection of quality like new products with those deep discounts. So if you're looking for tablets or laptops or desktops, eBay Refurbished is the place you can trust.
Okay, but how does Annika keep that dorm clean?
Well, Alexa. It's Alexa.
Oh, it's Alexa going to Dalhousie.
Yes, it's Alexa going to Dalhousie, right? Because believe it or not, when our kids go away, they're going to be calling you for help, and they have to clean their own rooms, whether they're dorms or Alexa's actually an apartment. So Swiffer is the perfect solution for first-time cleaners. So like I said, Alexa's in her apartment, so I've set her up ready to go with a few things. They've got the Swiffer Sweeper heavy-duty dry pads and heavy-duty wet pads. So she can, trap and lock the dust, dirt, and hair on her floors, but also wash them at the same time. But my favorite is the Swiffer Duster. It's great for hard to reach places. So whether you're doing baseboards to your ceiling, again, first-time cleaners like our students, set them up with lots of Swiffer products like I have for Alexa.
And personal hygiene too, and of course avoiding COVID-19 and hand washing important. So what do you got?
Well, again, we've all been washing our hands a whole lot for the last 2.5 years, and Dial is giving Canadians an easy way to maintain their daily hand washing routine while reducing their waste. They've just launched their Dial Foaming Hand Wash Concentrated Refill. So each starter kit, you're going to get 3 of those concentrated refill packets and 1 reusable bottle. Super easy to use. You can see you're going to fill to the water line. You're going to open that concentrated pack, pour it in. You're going to shake it up a few times. And guys, we've got our soap ready to go. It's actually going to use 95% less plastic than purchasing a Dial Foaming hand wash. Just make your own with your refillable concentrate. Again, also in Alexa's car, ready to go on Monday.
Hey, before we go, we actually had a story on this a while back. Toys R Us Canada ramping up their book offerings.
Yeah, we're always looking for books, whether you're looking for home or at school. There's no better way to get our kids prepared for back to school than by reading. So you're right, it's a recent book expansion at Toys R Us Canada. They're going to offer titles for all age groups, all interests, and they've got new titles rolling out every week. The hottest kids books, so you can either head in store or shop online. And again, we know reading,
we will put all those links at chch.com. Thanks for sharing with us, Sherri French.